folks, that's gonna do it for today's video. I have an announcement for the end of today's video. I would like a milestone to be hit. My goals for right now are to get 10 subscribers every month. So if we can get 10 subscribers the month of October to get me to 14 subscribers, that would be nice of y'all, and we can do it every month, and I'll eventually have a couple subscribers. Thank you for getting me 4 subscribers, guys. I'm trying to get a lot, but 100 is my goal for right now, but 10 a month, that should be pretty good. But if we can get 10 subscribers for the month of October, that would be really nice of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you all in the next video.